Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to drive sales and traffic to your business. If you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or marketer, this video is for you. We'll be sharing some tips and tricks that will help you grow your business and increase your revenue. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Create an online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial. It's essential to have a well-designed website that showcases your product or service and highlights its unique features. Your website should also have a clear call to action, such as "Buy now" or "Contact us." This makes it easy for your potential customers to take the next step and make a purchase or inquiry. Tip number 2. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool that can help you reach a wider audience and generate more traffic to your website. Make sure you have a strong social media presence on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and use hashtags to increase your reach. You can also consider running social media ads to target specific audiences and drive traffic to your website. Tip number 3. Invest in SEO. SEO, search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher on search engines like Google. This is important because most people use search engines to find products and services online. By optimizing your website for SEO, you'll increase your visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Some SEO best practices include using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and building backlinks from reputable websites. Tip number 4. Offer discounts and promotions. Everyone loves a good deal, so offering discounts and promotions can be a great way to attract new customers and drive sales. Consider running limited-time promotions or offering discounts to first-time customers. You can also offer loyalty programs to encourage repeat business. Tip number 5. Focus on customer service. Good customer service is essential for driving sales and building customer loyalty. Make sure you're responding to customer inquiries and complaints in a timely and professional manner. Provide excellent service and go above and beyond to exceed customer expectations. This will not only help you retain existing customers but also attract new ones through word of mouth. Tip number 6. Collaborate with influencers. Influencer marketing is a growing trend in the digital marketing world. By collaborating with influencers in your industry, you can reach a wider audience and build credibility for your brand. Make sure you choose influencers that align with your brand values and have a large following of engaged fans. You can also consider offering them a commission for every sale they generate through their unique referral link. There you have it, 6 tips for driving sales and traffic to your business. Remember, it takes time and effort to grow your business. But by implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to success. To benefit from a free masterclass seminar called Mass Traffic Blueprint, register through the link in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.